So you got your latest Logitech mouse and you downloaded GHub and you tried to set. So this is a very common thing for me. What I do is I set the extra keys, so these two, to volume up and volume down. Okay, so where is it? So I set it to this one to volume up and this one to volume down. I am assuming these are the keys. Okay, so volume up and volume down, not mute. Okay, now if I try to change the volume, you can see if I keep holding the volume key, you see nothing is happening. If I keep holding it, nothing is happening. Okay, so what's the solution? Solution is open control panel, go to uninstall and find Logitech GHub and uninstall it forever. Don't bother installing it, don't bother saving current settings. Okay, so that's the first thing you do. And second thing, that Logitech already has a pretty good app, but it's old, it doesn't push you ads, it doesn't ask for surveys, it's not bloated, so why? Okay, so the other app is, actually I put it on the website and actually wanted to show you nishan.com, megatech blocks, go to Windows and Logitech mouse, holding down the volume key does not fix it. So this is the software, Logitech gaming software. This is the software. Okay, and this has not been updated for many years, and that is a good thing. Download it and keep it archived, because these idiots will remove it because they want you to use Logitech GHub. Okay, so as soon as you download this and you install it, so very basic install, and you open that, so even in onboard memory manager mode in Logitech GHub you can, I don't think if you can, it doesn't matter, it's a terrible application. On this, if you come here on this, if you select, you open this and you select, you know what, let's reassign it first. Let's put it to something else, because internally it might be something else. So now let's put it to volume up from this app, and let's put it to volume down from this app. And now if I close it, now if I try it, it's working. And the best thing is, even if I quit this app, since this is an onboard memory, it is still working the way it was meant to. All the newer app are like this.